Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Chrome and confirming you're on a stable build. This avoids unexpected behavior. Once done, sign into your profile if you want the theme synced across devices. Now open Menu, choose Settings, then Appearance. You're not changing the OS yet, you're targeting Chrome's theme controls first. This gives you a quicker, reversible change. Make sure to keep Chrome updated. An outdated browser can hide or move these options and slow the process down. Now you'll select a dark theme inside Chrome's Appearance section, pick the built-in dark option, or install a dark theme from the web store. If you can't find theme, search Settings for Theme or Update Chrome. Sometimes the control moves after an update. For a stronger effect on web pages, navigate to Chrome, //flags, and enable Auto Dark Mode for web contents, then relaunch Chrome. This forces pages to render in dark colors, which can help when sites finish by relaunching Chrome so changes take full effect. Inspect the toolbar, tabs, and New Tab page to confirm the dark look. If you want the same theme on other devices, enable Sync under You and Google. If sites look wrong, clear cache and disable extensions that modify styles, then test again. One key troubleshooting tip: if Auto Dark Mode breaks page layout, return to Chrome, //flags and disable that flag, then relaunch, which typically restores normal rendering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.